Hello viewers, I got some special bags. I got it at the Dollarama. So, let's open them. See? Got another package, got another package, got another package, another package, and another package, and another package, package, and another package. Is that another toad? That's another toad! Oh, that's another toad. Well, let's open this one. And it's purple toad. Ah! His head is ripped off. But we can fix that. Ah! Mario! Ah! Anyway. Okay. Open up the other one. And that's Yoshi! 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 Got his body. Gotta create his body. Yoshi! Come on! Ripping! Oh, and that's a princess. A peach. That's a princess, a peach. Oh! I'm like a serial killer showing the heads of the toys. Oh, it's funny. How does this work? I'm trying to get this in. It's a tail. I'm trying to get it in, see? Come on. Get in there. Get in there, tail. You stupid tail. It goes in there. There we go. Click. Where's her torso? Should be around here. Where's her torso? Torso. Those are done. Those are done with. There's her torso. Meow. Meow. And this is, which one is this? And that is Ken and Luigi. So that's one. We got Yoshi, and we got Princess Peach and Toad. I wanted this one and the Mario Maker one. And the Luigi's Mansion. See? Okay. So what's this one next? And a Mario! Woohoo! Got a Mario! Where's his feet? Where's Mario's feet? Did they disappear? No, they're there. There they are. There they are. Woohoo! It's me, Mario! Woohoo! And then we got 4 left, viewers. Just gonna put all that garbage over there. Don't really need it. So this one I don't know, dude. Are we getting another Toad? Probably. We're getting another Toad. Yep. Got another Toad. See? Not on. Yay. And then what's this one? What's this one? What's this one? It's gonna be cool. Oh, it's another red Yoshi. Darn it. 2 duplicates. What's this one? And this one is Mario Maker. Mario Maker. Mario. Mario Maker. No, 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 no. Wahoo! Wah! Job's done! Wahoo! Gotta go on my break now. Wah! Okay, one last one. Hopefully it'll be good. And we got another Yoshi. Darn it! Got another Yoshi. See? Another Yoshi. Got 3 duplicates, but that's okay. So I got Mario Maker, Mario, Toad, Red Yoshi, Cannon Ouija. Yep. There we go. And then Princess Peach and Mario. Well, I didn't get a Ouija and the vacuum cleaner, the one I really wanted. But that's okay. This is the one I really wanted. That one. See the vacuum cleaner? And that's the one I really wanted, viewers. But that's okay. So we have... Here, I'll get a better package in. If I didn't rip it out too much. So... The one we got was this one. That we got 3 of those. 1 of those. Didn't get that one. Got Toad. Got Cat Peach. And we got Mario. I really wanted Luigi. But, it's alright. Well, I'm going to call it an episode there, viewers. You guys take care. Bye-bye.